Hey Philip, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Good, good. So you've had a few lessons with us here
Yeah,
to get you ready for the test.
yeah.
And how did you find everything to learn?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I mean, you reminded me of my lecturer back in the university, Yeah, like it was really great. And I obeyed virtually everything you told me. The lessons the notes
Yeah.
you sent to me, I read them, I practiced everything, and yeah, the test was pretty good. I mean,
You did
I'm
well. Not
surprised. Yeah,
95%
95,
pass
yeah.
out of 100. That's
Yeah.
near perfect, Philip.
Yeah, thanks to you. And the thing is, I don't usually do this, but I think I'm going to recommend like a lot of people to you. I mean, because you're a very good teacher, a very good trainer. Yeah.
Thank you, Philip. Thank you, and I wish you all the best in Australia now with your new licence.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And safe and happy motoring, mate.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
And all the best to your wife too. She passed a couple of years ago, didn't she?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah.
She did. Yeah.
Thanks, Philip.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing your story.
Yeah, you're welcome.
See you, mate.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.